In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Crunchyroll app. If you want to identify the right app, then just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, first I'll uninstall the app. Now to install your app, you need to look for your app either through Google Play Store app, this app if you are on Android smartphone like me, or App Store if you are on iPhone. So I'll go to Play Store here and then search the app by name. So I'll just type in Crunchyroll. You can see the app is here. This is the app. Tap on it to see more details, about the app. And to know that you have the right app, make sure it is from Crunchyroll LLC, and this is a tag anime streaming app. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 3.2 with over 3 million reviews. So this app is widely used and the average size is 100 MBs. So you need to have enough data before you can install it. At the moment, this app has over 1 million downloads. So if you see these details, you will know that you have the right Crunchyroll anime app. To install, just tap on install here, and this will download the latest version of Crunchyroll anime stream app and finally install it on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, now you can proceed and open it or go to your apps to find it. So here is our app and this is the welcoming interface. So that's how you can install the right Crunchyroll app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.